I want to try to restore account or something command, but when I type st, the drop down here show up is a bit confusing when I click the down arrow. If I originally it will pick two options for me. If I come here, normally we will maybe type enter or something. It will cause me an very strange behavior like that, and st. But I expect is that when I click down, it should select the first one and not one. But the the both select option is somehow is a bit confusing. Maybe just select the first one, and this is the first feedback. And let's try. And I try to storage account here. Just try again. St something. St one kick is the first, second kick is here, but the highlight purple one is the option I select here. And then I just try to, and then it somehow is it many resources storage resource, and I want to table storage. This is the history of my command. Logically, I want to tap it to complete everything, but it just let me to do it one by one. And let's say, and this again. Okay, but if I bet it, okay, it's coming back. And here is the information about the command option, and I can click down here to list out all option. And if I click here, it will still keep me the history record and tap it. But tap here, the history is the historical information is not able to run it. But let me take a home button. Here is the whole command here. Maybe it's too long, so it's a bit confusing for me. The first time I use it, I just see the last part of the command. Maybe it will be better to have a line wrapping, the line wrapping here, so that it will not be so confusing to the user interface. But at least I can try to list my table through my connection string here, and just try another run. Now I want to pay around the accounts, change the subscription to have a test. And first of all, here is the AZ, and then let's try account, tap it. And actually, it's quite great. It's straightforward. It will tap the auto complete here, and then I want to show my current subscription. Tap it, and just go at it, and then just another additional parameter if I have. But I don't need it. Let me try any. Normally, it's just have an output option here for example, output. Yeah, the first time it's not coming out. Yeah, you see, the first time you just see the when you take a single, you got a short one, with a double one, it's just a name. But if I just take a space here, it don't have the output option for me. Maybe this is because of the default behavior of all of the Azure command is the output format. But normally I want to have a output here, also maybe JSON, maybe table, but it's kind of, oh, it's a good one. This one is nice. And I prefer to have a table and tap it. Oh, sorry, tap it, but this is a string. I tap it, it give me another option, not up and down. Sometimes it's auto complete, but never mind, it's still okay. Just table here, tap it, the first option. Yeah, it show my current account information, and I just want to try another one is also account, and then I want to list it and tap it, and okay, just show all of my subscription, or just hyphen, but single hyphen related, double hyphen it become one, it up and down, or tap it first one, second one, first one. Okay, it's so off my list account. And also I try to output the output and use a table. Okay, it's quite is good as the interaction between the user is quite nice, since you can got all the documentation here, and I can see off my subscription, and I can try another command to try to capture my subscription ID from for the default one. Yeah, just have another command I want to capture. Just try a general command. For example, I want my subscription subscription ID here, and then I just want to keep it in just a Linux command here. See if it work properly. If I have, but logically it will not work in this kind of information, since you in general you may want to keep the variable here to set a echo environment variable, and I don't think it will work, as you know here is nothing. So you can't do something like that. And also you see I want to bat it, keep bat it, it's not able to cancel the command escape or kill F3. Maybe I click F3 to take a look, but this doesn't give me anything. Actually, for my at this moment I type something wrong, I want to cancel it, it will not allow me to do so. And just escape, not work. No way but do I have to take enter, and then give me an error. Yeah, this one you cannot use the traditional way to compose your command. That's the reason why you see the document. There is some documentation to show you that you can capture the PS output with a you need to have to take a look. Let me take a look at the document.